Did you know that subsea pipelines can withstand pressures equivalent to 1,000 cars stacked on top of a single dinner plate? This engineering marvel represents the cutting edge of underwater technology and innovation. Organizations in the offshore industry frequently struggle with the complexities of subsea and pipeline projects. Without specialized expertise, companies face severe challenges in project execution, leading to budget overruns, delayed schedules, and reliability issues. Many find themselves unable to effectively manage the unique challenges of underwater operations and pipeline integrity. For engineers and technical teams, the multidisciplinary nature of subsea projects creates significant stress. They often feel overwhelmed by the need to integrate various technical aspects, from flow assurance to structural integrity, while ensuring safety and reliability in harsh underwater environments. This advanced masterclass bridges these gaps by providing comprehensive knowledge of subsea systems and pipeline engineering. You'll master everything from subsea architecture design to pipeline flow dynamics, materials selection, and integrity management. The program emphasizes practical applications of theoretical concepts in real-world scenarios. Through advanced modeling software and case studies, you'll learn to handle complex engineering challenges in subsea environments. Industry experts share insights from major projects, including lessons learned from successes and failures in subsea operations and pipeline management. Organizations witness remarkable improvements after their engineers complete this masterclass. They report better project execution, reduced operational issues, and more effective risk management in their subsea operations. Many see significant cost savings through improved design decisions and maintenance strategies. For individual engineers, this masterclass becomes a stepping stone to leadership roles in subsea projects. Participants develop into confident technical professionals capable of managing complex subsea systems and pipeline networks. Their expertise becomes invaluable in an industry where underwater engineering challenges continue to grow. Don't let the complexities of subsea and pipeline engineering limit your career potential. Join this masterclass to gain the expertise needed to excel in this specialized field. Enroll now to become a leader in subsea and pipeline engineering and drive innovation in underwater technology.